Hello again. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the models that appeared in this video. I had a lot of fun folding them. In particular, I wanted to show you this really cool turkey designed by Gen Hagiwara. This appears in Spirits of Origami, which happens to be a book that we sell. How about that? Anyway, I folded this turkey out of a sheet of Agua Papel. I have to be honest, this is the first time I actually ever used this paper. I know it's amazing. A lot of my respected origami friends love this stuff. Actually, I got a sheet of it right here. Drawer, where'd it go? All right. So anyway, yeah, this is not the same color, obviously, but I just wanted to show you this sheet of Agua Papel. Now, what's really nice about the Agua Papel is that it is already treated with methyl cellulose. So it's crisp and practically ready to go right out the gate when you buy it in the pack. However, the one thing that you probably have to do with it, chances are you're gonna wanna shave off the deckled edge of the paper. The sheet is 32 centimeters by 32 centimeters. It's handmade in Colombia by Fabian Correra. This is the Agua Papel again. Such nice paper, made from the fiber of the banana leaf and cotton, I believe. Yeah. So another thing you might notice is that this turkey has a color change. So its head and legs are red. What I decided to do is make my own duo sheet by painting one side of it. Now here's a little trick. Maybe some of you have done this before. Instead of painting the whole side of the paper red, just to achieve this little bit of color change, it just seems like pretty unnecessary. One thing you could do, you could just paint the regions where the color change occurs. Because, the finished model is mostly showing the dominant colored side of the paper. First thing I did, I folded the turkey out of a sheet of grainy paper. This is black grainy paper, just to try it out. I wasn't sure if maybe it would be a little too heavy. Turns out it was a little heavy for this model, at least at this scale. But point being, once I finished folding the first attempt, I used a Sharpie and I kind of colored the head, and I colored where the feet happen in the fold. The book provides the crease pattern, but it doesn't, unless you're really good at reading crease patterns, I kind of needed to fold it once to figure out where those different spots were on the finished model. Anyway, so that's how I knew where to paint it. Cool trick. And then the Agua Papel was much, much better in terms of thickness and flexibility. Although the grainy version turned out pretty good, if you ask me. I'm kind of sad that I had to unfold it. I can always fold another one, right? But for my first attempt, I was like, oh, that's actually pretty cool. All one single color. Anyway, so yeah, and I painted it with just like a really cheap acrylic paint that I found at the local 5 and Dime, or local Ben Franklin. Here I got this Ceramacoat. I don't know. Anyways, it cost me less than $3 for this little tube, which is good. I only needed a little bit of it anyways. I kind of find that cheaper acrylic paint is kind of better than like the fancy stuff, because the fancy stuff is going to give you a much different surface. I don't know. Honestly, I don't have much experience with this, so you have to just kind of experiment for yourself. But I was really happy with the result of this really inexpensive bottle of paint. So yeah, highly recommend the Agua Papel. The other model I'm going to show you are these maple leaves that were designed by Michael Lafosse. And this model, lo and behold, appears in Origami Flowers, or this is a kit of Origami Flowers. Funny enough, it's actually a leaf that we folded from this kit. But this kit comes with paper, a DVD, and this booklet. And What's pretty awesome about all of the Michael Lafosse and Richard Alexander kits that we sell here on the shop is that they're all autographed. Every single one of them. Pretty sure. Yeah, every single one of them. And that's pretty special considering that, you know, Michael and Richard are such amazing people. You know, Michael is really one of the legends of origami. I mean, he deserves master status. He's a master origamist. You know, some of my friends, they think of me as an origami master, and I'm like, no. I might be pretty good at origami, but I'm no master. You know, people like Michael Lafosse, they are masters. But anyways, Michael and Richard have put out a lot of really great kits over the years, and we sell a lot of them on the site, so check it out. What I should also mention, just in the same breath as Michael Lafosse and Richard Alexander, is that they are also the ones who make the acclaimed Origami dough handmade origami paper. As far as I know, they were one of the first people to make paper specifically designed for origami with the qualities that are desirable for folding. Okay, here I have an example of origami dough paper made by Michael and Richard, which we sell on the shop. This color here is Shamrock Gold Shimmer. It has this amazing gold glistening quality to it. It's super thin, super strong, and Origami Shop and the Origami Shop US are the only places online where you can buy this paper. We sell sheets of origami dough. Not too long ago, we took the time to list every color that we had in stock individually with some descriptions about the color and the thickness of each sheet. And it's been selling really well. So if you want to get some here before the holidays, I recommend you do it sooner rather than later because a lot of these colors, we only have about 1 or 2 available in stock. Look forward to seeing you on origamishop.us. Let us know if you have any questions or if there's anything you're looking for that we could help you with. Thanks and happy Thanksgiving.